We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If first of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we have this correction as a 1 2 3. We have a divergence. That's why we mentioned if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we can look for. And this is exactly as what we get. And the only way to look for trade was to put over entry above here. And this is what we get. And it will be more clear if we move to 15 minutes. This is where we could look for trade, and there was a second opportunity here. Anyway, whoever get the trade, if they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even, because we want to see the breakout of this top. Okay, and the best things is we move our stop loss to break even and just let it go. And if anyone wants to look for next trade, we need to wait and see the flag or correction before we look for the next trade. Okay, and if we get the any flag, as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, which is this one, then for sure, if we want to look for trade, we need to see the continuation with the breakout of this. If the price, for example, if we get the flag here, the price tag, we see the start to correct, this is where we have to take out the trade or move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we want to see the breakout of the previous top, which is around 0 0.1. And right now, we cannot look for, we cannot simply jump in. We have to, if we want to look for next trade, we need to get the correction of flag, at least flag for next trade. And the only thing is whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And if we move to daily chart, mostly that's why if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, we are more interested. We don't have anything to discuss. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the flag or correction for the next trade or not. And again, whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even, just let it go. If they want to keep the trade, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.